Many Clarksville and Montgomery County residents value the small-town feel of our community. But with us being poised to add approximately 65,430 residents by 2035, according to a steady 2% growth rate, how do we accommodate growth but still maintain the character and quality of life desired? As the leadership of Clarksville 2035 Study Group, we were tasked to answer this very question. And while we have lots of thoughts and ideas, there are two that we feel stand out above the rest. Come on, and we'll show you. Clarksville, Montgomery County is booming and won't be slowing down anytime soon. City and county planners estimate that 33,500 new dwelling units will be needed to accommodate the growing population by 2040. If each of these dwelling units were built on a typical subdivision lot, 15,000 square feet, we would need to consume a minimum of 11,500 acres of land. That's a lot of houses popping up on what was previously rural and farmland. What ways can the city and county develop to meet the needs of a growing population, but also keep the small-town feel that we all love so much? Traditional neighborhood design, T&D, is a planning concept based on how small towns and city neighborhoods historically developed. It refers to a mixed-use and compact neighborhood that allows for civic buildings, schools, commercial areas, places of worship, parks, and jobs to be located within walking distance to homes. Because of their compact design, T&Ds consume less land than a typical single-family subdivision. That's a good thing for our farmers. Because of the mixture of uses in a T&D, residents have the option of walking, biking, or driving to destinations within their neighborhood to get to the places they want to be, instead of hopping in your car and clogging the already busy roadways in our town. A T&D has a variety of housing types and price points. A person in a neighborhood is able to complete their entire life cycle with the variety of housing choices that are available. From a young renter entering the workforce to a first-time home buyer, family, empty nester, or retiree. The T&D concept can help to build neighborhoods and communities in our city and county. It allows us to grow and evolve to meet the community's needs, while protecting our farmland and keeping that small-town character that we hope to preserve. Now that we've solved the housing crisis and made everything so perfect that everyone's going to want to move here, we've got to get jobs for all those happy people. What industry and jobs should the Clarksville-Montgomery County area focus on for the future? Something that will bring higher wage jobs, both professional and skilled labor. Something that will improve the quality of life for residents. We already have manufacturing capabilities for tires, metal tubes, wiring harnesses, aluminum, batteries, and metal forming. We have interstate, waterway, railway, and light air transport. We have an educated workforce that we need to retain. Students from Austin P, Embry-Riddle, pilots, and maintainers processing out of the military. The answer is aviation, and companies that support multiple methods of aviation, from airplanes and helicopters to rockets and drones. In 2028, a brand new helicopter is planned for its first duty station, Fort Campbell. It's an opportunity to position Clarksville and strategically grow as the aviation capital of Tennessee by drawing in new businesses. With jobs that support aviation, like engineers and maintenance, we can easily support our growing population with high-paying jobs and maintain that small-town feel with an advanced workforce, all while preserving farmland that the farmers and cows really love. For even more details, check out the entire Leadership Clarksville Class of 2022 report at the Leadership Clarksville Library.